Hello there. Do you struggle to feel your glutes? Well, we can help you. JP! What the f***? The script says a playful slap!
You want me to go again? I'll go again.
No, it's fine. We'll edit that out. We'll go to the next scene. This Valentine's, we want to help you to breeze through date night. Oh. Script says a gentle breeze. Why can't you read scripts? Whatever. Do the next one. Amateurs. We're having a sale, so join us if you want to lengthen and strengthen with me. Ow! I said roses, like the rose petals, not the chocolates. Right! What is going on? All I'm trying to do is make a sexy Valentine's advert, and I feel like you lot are not taking me seriously. Who's in charge of the script?
Sorry, I don't speak English.
Tom, well, you make these sexy Valentine's ads every year, and it's the main time that people unfollow us. We just don't think you're just not, traditionally...
You're not sexy!
I am sexy! Right, Shannon? Well, you're fired. Lindsay? Well, you are fine where you are. Shelley? You think I'm sexy, right?
Of course you are, sweetie. That's your wife, Tom. She has to say that.
You think I'm sexy though, right, Magic, don't you?
Jestem głodny. Kiedy będzie obiad?
I knew you were my favorite. Yeah, JP's blowing me.
I'm gonna put some salad.
Yeah.
Hold on.
You're not sexy!
Why are you whispering?
I don't know.
And then Lindsay pretends to blow me after.